We have been severely programmed to believe that self-sacrifice is equivalent to loving others. I love you when I sacrifice myself. I love you when I extend myself, even when I'm drained. I love you when I give, even when I don't have anything to give. I give to you when I don't even have anything to give to myself. I love you when I sacrifice myself. That's not true. That is the furthest thing from the truth. But because it's been the collective programming, we've accepted that and adopted it as the truth, and we end up doing it, and it doesn't feel good. We're wondering why we're drained, why we're so depleted of our energy, why we feel so exhausted, because you've been sacrificing yourself in order to love others. And it never feels good when we do it that way. It never feels good because sacrificing yourself to love your reflection is not true love. Okay? When we pour into others from a place of emptiness and being like the self-sacrificial lamb, that's not love. You are no good to your reflections if you're not good to yourself. You have to be self-full in order to pour into others. This is why many of you are running on E, spiritually, energetically, mentally, physically. You're exhausted. You are on E. It's because you've been filling yourself up in order to give and extend and sacrifice for others, but you're not pouring that into yourself. And that's not love. I can only love you to the extent of which I love myself. Anything other than that is not true love, because everyone is a reflection of you. Okay? So if you're not loving yourself, you're not loving them. Okay? You're not. You're just overextending yourself. You're draining yourself. You're giving other people permission to just take, drain. Take. And there's no boundaries and there's no balance. Therefore, you are exhausted. Okay? The relationship you have with yourself is the foundation for every other relationship you have. And if you do not love yourself properly and pour into yourself, you're not able to love those outside of you properly and pour into them correctly. See, I'm no good to her if I'm not good to myself. What am I to her if I'm not anything for me? Okay? I can't properly love her if I don't love myself. The way I speak to myself is how I speak to her. The way I think about myself is how I think about her, because she's my reflection. Self-sacrifice is not love. When I pour into myself, when I take time to meditate, to lock myself in the bathroom and take a shower and just clear my mind and pour into myself and do my spiritual bath and do my Oshun and the things that I need to do for me in order to get me vibrationally aligned, I'm the best mother for her. I'm the best friend for my friends. I'm the best sister for my sisters. Okay? Unlearn self-sacrifice as being love. We can only love others to the extent in which we love ourselves. All right? Bye.